Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about PatchZempic, whether it's legit or just another scam. Quick disclaimer before we begin, everything in this video is based on publicly available information and personal opinion. According to its official website, PatchZempic is a topical patch that supposedly mimics the efforts or effects of Ozempic, a real prescription drug for managing type 2 diabetes and aiding weight loss. The patch claims to boost metabolism, curb appetite, and help you drop pounds easily without needles or prescriptions. But according to scam advisors, PatchZempic.com has a low trust score, citing several red flags like a hidden identity, suspicious setup, and lack of transparency. All signs point to caution. For the final verdict, PatchZempic is likely a scam. It uses the name of a trusted drug to sell an unverified product. There's no proof it works and plenty of signs that it doesn't. Don't gamble with your health based on marketing hype. Now, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.